how are you all doing? BYD is planning to launch its 5-door electric hatchback for Indian consumers in 2025, featuring a stylish tall boy design that will stand out on the roads. BYD SEAGULL it is. Its sharp accent and striking headlight cluster will add to its visual appeal, while the aggressively designed bumper is expected to enhance the car's sporty aesthetics. The SEAGULL's roof-integrated spoiler and rising window line will provide a sleek dynamic profile to it. BYD is all set to introduce its compact electric hatchback to the Indian market, creating a buzz among EV enthusiasts. This car is a subcompact hatchback will be a part of the great audience of EV sector which are waiting for great affordable